Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy an Excel chart into PowerPoint as a picture. Now, copying Excel charts into PowerPoint is one of the most common tasks for users. Sometimes a link to the original data isn't needed, so you can copy the chart as a picture instead to your presentation. Now, this has one big benefit in that it prevents any alterations being made to the chart data itself. Also, the chart picture can be saved as an independent picture for future use. This is very easy to do, and we're going to demonstrate this by copying the chart that we've got here, which represents staff performance for the week, into a blank PowerPoint slide. Now, there is one caveat, folks, and that is because we are copying our chart as a picture, you need to make sure that what you are copying is the final version of what you want to do. So in other words, make sure you finalize your chart in Excel prior to copying it over. Because it's a picture, there's no link to the Excel chart itself in the workbook. Okay, so let's get started. Right, so just quickly to overview this chart, this is derived from the table here, which basically is some sample data showing performance data for two staff members, Jason and David, for the week. Okay, so the first step you need to do is to make sure your chart in Excel is finalized, which we've done. Secondly, you click on the chart and you have to copy it. Now you can use the keyboard or your mouse to copy it. The preference is down to you. So in this case, we're going to use the mouse. Right, so we've copied our chart. Now you simply head on over to PowerPoint and then you find the slide at which you wish to paste your chart into. And in Microsoft PowerPoint, simply right click on that slide in an empty space and select this option here, which is under Paste Options, Picture. There. And that's it, folks. Your chart from Microsoft Excel is now pasted as a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, you'll notice that when the picture got pasted in, and because it's still selected, we get the picture format ribbon appearing. And from this ribbon, you can basically do some adjustments to your picture as you see fit. Now, one adjustment I do recommend, folks, is to basically describe your chart under this bit here, alt text, which is alternate text. And what this does is that it basically enables you to create a text description of your chart picture or object for screen readers. So that means if anybody is accessing your presentation with a screen reader, the chart will be described adequately. So if you just click on the alt text icon there, you can then describe your chart. Okay, so what I'm going to type is an Excel column chart showing staff performance for the week, comma, which has been copied from Excel into PowerPoint as a picture. Now, the reason I've just added that extra bit about how it's been copied into PowerPoint and as a picture is just to make it clear that the chart can't be manipulated or altered because it's not linked to the original chart / data in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so with our description in, that concludes this lecture, folks. One last thing before we wrap up. I want to show you how you can save your chart picture as an independent picture, which you can then use in future work. So to do that, simply select your chart picture and then right click and click this option here, Save as Picture. And from there, you can choose the location and the file type of which you wish to save your picture under. Okay, so that wraps up this lecture. Thank you for listening and watching. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out in the comment section below. Just to summarize, we have shown how you can copy an Excel chart into PowerPoint as a picture. We have also explored the option of adding alternate text to the picture to make it accessible for those using a screen reader to access your presentation. We have also mentioned some of the benefits of copying a picture over, as well as highlighted the caveat of making sure that before you copy your chart over into PowerPoint as a picture, that you finalize your chart in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. And if you do like these type of videos, then please do consider subscribing to the channel and turning on that notification bell. Thank you and have a great day.